Hello everyone. Today we shall discuss exercise 5.5 question number 3. There are two set squares in your box. What are the measures of the angles that are formed at their corners? Do they have any angle measure that is common? Let us take the set squares one by one. Let us take one set square, this one. Okay. Here you see that this angle this angle is this is 90, 30 and 60 set square, right? That means this angle is 90 degree, this angle is 90 degree, and this is 30 degree, and this is 60 degree, right? This is known as 90, 30, 60 set square. Let us take another set square, right? We have taken another set square. We have take another set square. Here you take another set square, this one, right? If we take this, here you see we have taken another set square, and the angle of the measure of the set squares are, you see, this is here you see this angle is 90 degree. Here you see this is 90 degree, and this is 45 degree. This is 45 degree, this is 45 degree, and this angle is also 45 degree. Right? Now you see there are two set squares in your box. What are the measures of the angles that are formed at their corners? Therefore, we found that in this set square, we got we got one is 90 degree, one is 30 degree, and the other is 60 degree. And in this set square, we are getting that this angle is 90 degree, this is 45 degree, and this is 45 degree. Do they have any angle measure that is common? Here you see that is there is no common in these angles, right? It is only one common is there, only 90 degree is common, but 60, 30, and this is 45, 45, only one angle is common, that is 90 degree. Do they have any angle measure that is common? Yes, yes. The answer will be, do they have any angle measure that is common? The answer is yes. Yes, it is 90 degree. Yes. Yes, the common angle. Yes, the common angle. The common angle the common angle is the common angle is 90 degree, right? Once again we are repeating. Here you see there are two set squares. One is 90 degree, 30 degree, 60 degree, and the other is 90 degree, 45 degree, 45 degree. And do they have any angle measure that is common? Yes, this 90 degree is common in both the set squares. Therefore, the question answer is yes, the common angle is 90 degree. This is the solution of question number 3.